Just 25 days now until thousands of riders, including Team WKYC, jump on their bikes and pedal their way to a cure with VeloSano.
And every dollar raised through Cleveland Clinic's event goes straight to cancer research happening here in Northeast Ohio. I wanted to see that research in action, so Dr. Justin Lathia led us inside his lab.
It takes a lot of resources to do cutting-edge science. And VeloSano funding is extremely valuable in that.
Cutting-edge science, that's what's happening here at the Lerner Research Institute. These probably aren't the hallways you've seen at Cleveland Clinic. They're the ones where cures are born, but it's a costly endeavor.
The honest truth is I spend probably 50 to 75% of my time trying to get funding to make sure that we can execute our ideas. Everyone has great ideas, but the issue is how do we get them funded? VeloSano gives us a strategic advantage because it fills the gap that a lot of us have in terms of our projects. We just completed a phase 1 clinical trial here at the Cleveland Clinic based on work that came out of the lab. And actually, that's the work that initially was sponsored by VeloSano.
VeloSano rewards cutting-edge cancer work and works as a multiplier to attract outside grant funding. Brain tumors are Lathia's focus, particularly glioblastoma.
This is the brain tumor that Ted Kennedy had, that John McCain had, and this tumor type it's as bad as it can get. We're trying desperately, but therapies are limited.
Only 3% of those diagnosed are survivors 5 years later. Lathia's team of scientists, neurosurgeons, lab techs, and students are working within immunotherapy, trying to harness the body's immune system to fight cancer and win.
So if you think about the immune system, there's two arms. One is to detect foreign invaders and attack them and eliminate them. But how do you know when to stop? It's that second arm, that suppressive arm. So those two are constantly in balance.
Lathia is targeting the immune suppression in this first clinical trial. They've treated 11 patients.
We've treated a series of patients with low dose of a known chemotherapy that actually kills the suppressor cells. And we've been able to demonstrate that when we do that, we change the immune system repertoire, or the immune system composition in the brain.
The lab is tracking progress down to changes in a single cell. The National Institutes of Health is investing in those findings, snowballing the work that started with VeloSano. Even Dr. Lathia suits up for the ride.
This puts Northeast Ohio, this sets us apart. It really does, if you think about it. You have a grassroots community event that is driving innovation, keeping money in the area, developing infrastructure, and really providing the next generation of cancer therapies for citizens of our area. None of that would have been possible without VeloSano.
Well, Dr. Lathia says someday soon we may be talking about cancer the same way we are HIV/AIDS as a manageable chronic condition. But it's going to take research to get there. So I am excited to be riding with 17 other WKYC colleagues in VeloSano next month. You can support all of us and find the link to our team page on WKYC.com.